Computers are everywhere. Trust them with your passwords, your conversations, your day-to-day life. It's hard to imagine life without them sometimes.
But do you really know what's going on in your computer? Could be a hamster on a wheel listening to your every conversation for all that you would know.
But it doesn't have to be that complicated. This is a computer, and I'm going to try to teach you how to program one.
CRUMB is a 15-minute tutorial. With a $12 computer chip, a phone charger, and a browser, you can learn how to program a computer. Right now, it just blinks. That's CRUMB Genesis 0, just the heartbeat. But the real magic comes after you learn how to make it blink. Because once you learn how to communicate with it, you can teach it anything. If you add a display, now it can talk to you. If you add a sensor, now it can see. If you add a button, now you can really go crazy. The possibilities are endless. This is a CRUMB that I built for my brother. It's a lot of moving parts, but once you learn how to put them all together, it's like Legos, but way cooler. But that all started with just the heartbeat. No ads, no tracking, no subscriptions, and definitely no hamsters. Start with the heartbeat and see where it takes you.